looking for.
Man, can I get one?
Are you eating Chipotle?
Can I get one?
Is it vegan?
Hey, this is for y'all because you're probably hungry and my mouth is watering.
All right, we have 2 containers here. We're gonna open them up. We're gonna see what's inside. This says hard deck. You heard it here first.
Wait, what is this? Grip tape?
You are going to find out, Mowgli.
I found out that the ants are right here and I'm covering them. Look, I'm the shade to the ant. Have you ever played
I'll
baseball?
let you know what it is. Go ahead. What's your guess, Rick?
I think it's gonna be rails.
That's a good guess.
Oh, they are rails. They are metal.
What are those?
Don't tell me this is a spork.
All right, so here's what this is. So this is what is called a Hard Deck Industries deck spine. They're made of titanium. Basically, before you set up your board, you put these under the trucks and they line the bottom of your board like this.
Yeah?
And they're supposedly supposed to make your deck stronger. That is what we're here to test today.
Is not gonna break because of these, is what you're telling me?
So you're telling me we're gonna try to break it too?
Yes, we're gonna.
Ricky.
If you're
That's the
watching
same
this,
one.
I hope you're having an amazing day.
Ricky,
Will
like,
it withstand me?
We're gonna put this board through the 10 stages of Braille hell.
10, what's the 10? Hey, is that broken already?
No?
I waited my whole life.
Wait.
for something
Can
like
I
this.
see this?
Can you
Can I
open
see
one up
one?
for me, brother?
Let's go.
Oh.
Hey, these are strong. I feel it.
Bro, look at that. Look at that design. Where are these guys
It
from?
sounds like a freaking sword. Look.
Where are they from?
Hard Deck
right.
Industries.
Yeah, I got this first tee.
You got it? Oh! No! How would you know?
Dude, this is different. We got
Compromise the strength. Wait,
that one's different. Look at this shape.
You got it perfect? You got it perfect?
On 2 holes, Jake.
All right, Gabe. I will say I have faith in it now.
Why is that?
I didn't expect this right here. It's like super Gorilla Glue status.
But see, like, look at this. You know how often I break the board, like, right here?
You ever heard of flex tape?
Yeah.
I made a skateboard out of flex tape. A broken
did you
skateboard,
break it?
taped it together,
And it was good?
and it did not break
Really?
afterwards. I tried to break it and it wouldn't break.
Maybe it will work then. But I always break the boards here.
How's it going?
My alignment was not the greatest, I'm not gonna lie.
You know, that's what they say.
All right, we got it.
Okay.
I'm literally sweating, but here we are. Check it out.
Can we get a good slap?
Oh.
Oh yeah, the
Sounds
Ryan
good.
Trahan.
Hi guys, we're out here on a bright, lovely, sunny day. It's really bright out here. It's sunny and it's a daytime, so let's get it.
All right, Uzi, so we have to put this through the 10 stages of destructive grief.
Well, of course you know what we're gonna do right now.
What are we gonna do right now?
This right here.
I don't catch your drift here. What's going on?
We gotta test out that.
I know you're not gonna hit the rail.
I'm done.
Buddy!
It held up
You
good.
have achieved a level you don't even have to front smith anymore.
Hey, it held up good.
I got your back.
Oh!
Damn.
What just happened?
I tried to send it down the rail, and then Gabe said, "You can't hit the rail." So I said, "I guess I'm gonna hit the stair." And I hit the ground. I don't know what happened. Wait, what is this even supposed to do?
It is meant to make your deck stronger.
How do we test that?
No, I think let's just skate it a little bit first.
Oh, look at.
And then we gotta test.
Oh,
We gotta
Look at
test impact, right? We gotta
Listen to this.
test.
it does seem different.
In what way? What do you think?
Usually it goes doing.
Yeah, it seems a little more solid, huh? What's the word I'm looking for? Yeah, I think we got to do impact. We got to do like front lip. Will this prevent a front lip test from breaking? The focus test. You want to hit a board slide?
An explorer. I'm just gonna slide my butt, see how it feels.
You know what it's like? It's like trucks. It's like trucks for the middle of your board.
This reminded me of someone just making awful noise on a chalkboard. I felt the vibration.
Well, we're gonna find out, aren't we?
Yeah, we're about to find out. Let's get a quick caveman board slide first.
Glow, what's your prediction for a caveman board slide?
Oh, bro, I tried to board slide already 2 things and I got stuck. So whatever that means, it applies to the caveman.
You know, whenever someone says something and the glass shatters, that
Yeah.
just happened right now.
Yep.
All of a sudden, I don't want to do it. we're test running baby steps.
Yeah. Whatever you want to do.
Get one?
And there's a bird in there.
I'll do this. I'll do that one. You do this.
I'll be a viewer. I'm an observer right now.
I mean, yeah, it slid, kind of.
Damage report? Is there any damage to it?
Yeah, scraped. We scraped the scraper.
I mean, you know, sometimes you got to break in trucks, so maybe you just got to break these in.
You're right. I'm gonna try to see if I could slide on that pillar.
On the top piece? I think I could have told you that was gonna happen.
All right, now I feel somewhat confident after seeing Ricky do the rail, and I found out how it feels on concrete. Let's go to the square 5 rail.
Right here, charging.
This is for Pikachu.
Stop talking about Pikachu, JD. Hey, good thing you already have a kid, Mo.
I'm not gonna lie, all I thought about was Pikachu.
JD, you can't say Pikachu right when someone's popping, dude.
I'm sorry.
That's a party foul.
I didn't know you were gonna laugh at that.
I can't believe that really was.
Imagine you're trying a freaking 540 in the vert ramp and someone yells Pickle's Cage right when you pop.
At least I can knee slide, so.
Someone watch that kid. Oh, God! Oh! Oh, it sounded rough, man. Maybe put some wax on that, maybe?
All right, Dan, please add the photo of Pikachu so people know how hilarious that thing looks. That literally hit my mind, and I just went blank and thought of that instantly.
It turns skating into snowboarding. You can catch an edge on it.
Do not recommend for grinds. I mean slides.
What about grinds? Maybe feeble? Smith?
Feeble? Okay. Oh, I think we got it. I think feeble's better than board slide.
You 100% got it, Mo.
I missed the feeble. Honestly, if I had wax on this, maybe it'd be way slicker.
The inventions people come up for skateboarding. I'll just leave it at that.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Hey, maybe they just need a little break in. Hey, just wax it up. Hit a long back lip slide.
Look, someone could do like blunt thingy.
Do it right there, over the channel.
I know what Ricky's talking about.
You scraped it.
Oh yeah, deck
Wait,
check.
oh,
gap to deck
okay.
check. Yeah. All right.
Great.
Good. This is why I put you in charge of the, you know.
I didn't know what it was
durability
called, but I knew
challenge.
the.
Oh!
Did it break?
Nope.
No.
That metal thing is stopping it from breaking,
Hey, that thing's strong as an ox.
Oh, you know what else I want to test too is you know how you do the like the fakie ollie disaster and you always break the boards?
Yeah.
You got to try it on this.
Honestly, it's gonna break right now. I have a really strong
think
feeling
so?
it's gonna break. Yeah.
Oh, all right. Oh! I don't know if that's breaking, Rick. All right, can I give my professional guess as to what will happen here? I think any blunt force trauma up, it will not break it. I think as soon as you focus it from this side down, from grip down, it'll for sure break.
But a front lip will never break.
Front lip, I don't think will break it, no.
Can it be that strong? But it's just the thin, like I was just bending it.
Imagine like a flight deck, for example, just
I really
one.
think I can just break it on the
one
if I just
little
ollie
layer.
Front lip on that.
All right, let Glow try the fakie ollie first, and then you can do front lip.
Fakie ollie disaster.
Oh, that was a solid. Yeah, I didn't see that.
I saw it.
Watch this, watch this.
Wow. You want to try board slide?
No way, Jose.
Back feeble?
I don't got that trick.
Nothing.
No, Ben.
Nothing. Come on, hey, put some power into it, Glow. No way. There's nothing. All right, well, fakie ollie. That breaks most boards that we use. So.
I know, bro. I was really trying to break it. It's a size 8. I went a little faster than normal. Gave it the good old crunch. Look
What
at
about impact test, Mo? Whoa, 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 whoa.
We're about to impact it.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Breaking
Whoa.
Look.
You can't break it that way. That's the, dude, what is this?
You said impact, and that's impacting my life right now if I break it that way.
Backboard.
Where?
Get a slow-mo easy.
I'm resting. I need a rest. Resting is good.
All right, is this the official brake test? You're predicting the end right here.
Wait. We could still kickflip it.
Gabe, I think I just realized something.
What did you realize?
If the metal was on the top, I think it might have made it stronger.
Nah, Gabe said the opposite.
I know, but when it's on the bottom.
Look, I'll give it my review.
You broke the metal?
All right, it felt as if it was just breaking a normal board.
What if you put a piece of metal on top and the bottom now?
You sound so disappointed.
I am.
I didn't even go as hard as I could. I still held back a little bit.
Real quick, how long have you been skating?
10 years.
How long have you been skating?
22.
Guy with 12 more years on you knows. MMA fighters, someone with 12 more years of experience knows and seen the world. Just giving you some perspective right now.
I know what it takes to break a board.
Oh, I'm not even sad it broke. I'm sad I was wrong.
All right, here on tractor.
Well,
cap.
look, he's right.
These metal things were capped.
Dude, watch out. Don't slice your finger off. Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Should I tape it? Good. Should I get my duct tape?
You just gotta put a piece of metal on the top now. Guaranteed.
Well, no, it's not though, because the metal is still flimsy. The metal is not structurally sound enough to hold it together as its own thing.
All right, he got the kickflip.
Wait, hold on. Can I?
One more.
Can I look at?
I'm horrified right now.
Why? We're evolving past trying to not break it. We're inventing. Do you not see what I see?
You put a piece of metal on top, like this. Look, it will work. I think. I'm scared. The first.
Yep, you got it. Oh, you got it. Yeah.
We got plenty of metal. You want a top piece?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna try to add the rib cage to it. We'll see what happens.
Did you hear yourself?
Yeah.
We're gonna add the rib cage. It was missing ribs.
We gotta use all of them, maybe. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You got it. Look at this. Watch. No, it's all good. We fixed it. You want to test it?
You can't make a creation and then be scared of it.
Yeah, you can. Oh! Nothing can save this board.
No.
Hey, who was the champ of the skateboard robot battle royale twice?
Hey, but to be fair, the duct tape did about as much as the metal did. Not much.
Yeah. All right. Hit the drop in.
Yeah.
Do you have faith?
Do I have faith? Yeah. In you? I always got faith in you. I got faith in the board? Absolutely not.
Like I said, when I create something, I'm very proud of it, and I will stand by and go for it.
The confidence on that! It was like, I got this. Stop, God.
I may have failed the drop in, but can we just admire that the board rolls and it didn't break?
Hey, slamming game.
There it is.
Look, the board may have flipped me, but I flipped it too. Don't give up on your dreams. There's some videos on the side of us, and if you need anything you need at Braille Skateboarding, go get it at Braille Skateboarding, right here.
We're sitting here 5 minutes later, we realize Mowgli put the truck on backwards. Mo!
Oh, wait.
Look at this.
No,
Look what he did.
It wasn't like that earlier, though.
Mo!
How long have you been skateboarding for?
Today.
How long have you been skating, Mo?
17 years.
17 years experience.